Can we delete history order on Amazon? Hello everybody. In today's video we will be finding out if we can delete our order history on Amazon. So let's just get started. For that, what you may do is navigate to Amazon website and log in first of all. Now once you are into your Amazon account, you can hover over the account at the top right, and you can basically look out for account and list tab and click on orders, and your orders opens up on your screen. Now, if you're looking to delete your order history on Amazon, unfortunately, we cannot do it. We cannot completely delete our Amazon order history, but instead, we can archive our history to hide them from our main order list. So, archived orders are still stored by Amazon, however, they won't be visible in your general order history. If you would like to do so, you may head over the order, and once you are order, you can find an archive order option button, usually located in the bottom left corner of the order details. You can click on it. After that, you can just go and confirm that you would like to archive the order in the pop-up window to confirm. And once that is done, you can follow up the same process for other order history as well and delete your order history on Amazon. And that's it. So you may kind of follow this method if you would like to remove your order history on Amazon. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.